Alright YouTube, this is JB. So right now I'm about to spec out a Hellcat Redeye. Yes, the Hellcat Redeye. So let's go ahead and start the process. Alright y'all, so right now what I'm about to do is spec out a Redeye. And y'all can go ahead and follow me along this ride. And I'm trying to think, I think I want to do something other than black. Like my Jeep, I really like that Destroyer Gray. So I might have to go with that. Hopefully y'all can see everything clear, because of course everything is real small. Y'all should be able to see. Let's go over the first options.
Alright, so your first option is your interior. Alcantara leather Laguna seats. Hellcat logo Laguna leather seats in black. Laguna leather seats in black and demonic red. Laguna leather black and sepia. Alcantara in black. All free under the Redeye option. You just need to pick your leather. You want to do Destroyer Gray? Let's stick with the demonic red interior.
Make it stand out.
You have exterior colors. All the exterior colors. B5 blue, Destroyer Gray.
I love that Destroyer Gray.
FA green, Go Mango, Granite, Indigo blue, Max Steel, Octane red, Pitch black, Plum, Crazy, Tor red, White knuckle, and Yellow jacket.
See, I'm trying to make sure somewhere that Redeye still stand out. And it'll stand out on that Destroyer Gray color.
Some of the standard requirements you have to have is a Plus package, driver convenience group, Laguna leather package. Optional equipment, zero charge for a lightweight package.
So what's this lightweight package?
Lightweight package is this right here. It's a lightweight washer fluid bottle, a tilt telescope steering column, and front floor mats. Plus package, Alcantara seat, ventilated front seats, leather trim seats, dark engine turn interior accents, power tilt telescoping steering wheel. You got technology group. That's your rain sensitive windshield wipers, auto high beam headlamp control, forward collision warning, and adaptive speed control. Of course we want that option.
Yeah, gotta do that. Was that the dollar extra? No, that was
the dollar extra is your rear seat delete group. What that does is that's going to delete the rear seat out of the vehicle, similar to that of the Demon. If you guys remember, the Demon was special order only. The Redeye is going to be production made.
So we're going to keep the seat in.
We're going to keep the seat in.
Let's keep the seat.
Next option, driver convenience group. That's your power multifunction photo-away mirrors, high intensity discharge headlamps, blind spot and cross path detection. Required options, a Harman Kardon sound group, and the wide body package.
Gotta have a wide body.
Your standard rear axle is a 262 rear axle. You got an option for 309. Obviously you take the 309.
Yeah, 309.
Power sunroof required.
It's required?
It's required on the Redeye. Next option, you can have the painted black satin graphics package. If that's going to do, it's available at this time. The SRT performance spoiler.
Yeah, go with that performance spoiler.
Painted black satin hood.
Nah. If I do that Rapids or something.
Of course, you want Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display. Don't need an engine block heater down here in the south. One of the new things they're doing as well is they're giving you different color brake calipers. You can go black, gunmetal gray, or orange. I know one of my guys out there, but with the company Justin Jail, he buys Destroyer Gray and oranges everything out. We're gonna leave everything black though.
Yeah, they're black.
And the manufacturer statement of origin. Alright folks, so this vehicle, as equipped, MSRP at $91,590. What we're doing on special orders is we're doing $10,000 down, non-refundable deposit, $10,000 over sticker, just like on the Demons. But this time we've got all the allocations. So if you want one, get my information from JB's profile. You'll see it there. Give me a call. Let me know what we can do to make something happen.
See the price. Let's look at everything. So we want the Destroyer Gray. Of course, the Laguna leather seats with the Hellcat logo. 309 rear end. Wide body, of course, premium sound, technology group, black calipers, Uconnect, of course, the SRT performance spoiler, power sunroof, which was required, and you know all the other stuff. But you see the total, $91,590. All right, so I'm finished spec'ing out the Hellcat Redeye. I did a Destroyer Gray. Laguna leather, the performance spoiler, black calipers, 309 gears. Can't remember everything else, but what I'll do is I'll post the printout right after this. But so make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified for whenever I post new videos. Like, comment, and check out some of my other videos. Until next time, alright, peace.